All right, this is Daddy Boy here. Do another video, pressure washing video. I told you I was going to be showing you the setup. All right. As you can see, I have the wand. I picked this up from Lowe's. I think it was like probably $120 for this right here, extended rod. Also, if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's and do the backpack at Home Depot or Lowe's, is going to be I think $80. I picked this right here up out of Harbor Freight Tools for $30. Okay, 30 bucks. Now, the chemicals that I use the most, okay, regular dish detergent. Here's the bottle of bleach, 8%, I think 8.5%. And to get off the mold, Joe Max, right here. Now, when it comes to this right here, you have to go by the preferred ingredients because I'm doing a small little section, so my mixture is going to be 1 gallon. Okay, so this is the mixture I'm going to be going with right here. Then you got the bleach here, then you got the water. Now you're going to need one of these cups here to make sure you get your measurements on point. All right, and I say this is, like I said, this is the Husqvarna. What is it? 3200 psi, 2.7 gallons per minute. So like I say, not doing the whole house. I'm only going to be doing one section. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's pretty bad. It's can't zoom in, but yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's right up in this area right up in here. It has to be cleaned out. It's pretty bad. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to record it, but I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it or not because of the shadow on it. And oh, here's my little card that I have here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but this is what I use. Okay, singles 65, doubles 2 stories 85, sidewalks 55. All right. So that's just what I use. I hand these out. I just put these in mailbox. I put one down there. Also, I've already cut the lawn. I cut both lawns. The reason why I didn't do a before and after on these lawns right here, I'm gonna wait until the lawn, really start to develop, and then I'll start showing you the improvements on these lawns right here. But I put the straw down over here, straw down over here. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, I'm gonna do a before and after on this section here. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see it, but I'm just gonna shoot it anyway. All right, let's go ahead and get this stuff right here set up. Well, let me go ahead and show you how to do the setup, okay? Before we get started. Okay. The most important thing you want to know is your water hose goes here. Okay, water hose goes in here. And then your pressure washing hose goes here. All right. Now, before you fire up your pressure washer, you have to make sure you prime the pump by running water through it. And this hose right here, you never want to put bleach in this right here. You can put dish detergent. This goes through the pump right here, but you don't want to put any bleach in here. Okay. Now this backpack, I'm glad I decided to show you the setup. All right, you see this little hose right here? This hose from the backpack, I put the bleach. I put the bleach in here, bleach, water, and Joe Max in here, and it comes out of here, out of this black hose, and it comes directly into the gun. So the bleach in here goes straight into the gun, and it won't go into my pump. And that's the reason why I said you got to pick this backpack up from Harbor Freight Tools, 30 bucks. Cannot beat it. You can bypass your pump and never run, like I say, never run bleach through the pump. I think if you damage this pump, that pump alone is like $300 some. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing set up. All right, here is the I'm gonna try the blue tip, see what that looks like. And this is what I was talking about, the pink tip. Look how big that hole is, huge. I know this is gonna be able to reach it, but I'm gonna try with this one first. I'm only using these these tips to put the chemical on. Let me go and get started. As you can see, I actually got it all off. Like I said, I still got to work on my chemical release, because if I would have been able to use the Joe Max and the bleach mix, I would have been able to just spray the chemical on there and then just rinse it off and go. But because my chemicals, like I said, my chemicals was not working, I had to use the long rod to get it done. And I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I'm tired because this thing is heavy. This rod is actually heavy. But it actually came off, and it could be done a little bit better. I'm probably going to still work on just a little bit more. There's some areas right up in here that I would like to hit a little bit more, but there's no more mold. So all right, Daddy boy signing off.